Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel your Crunchyroll membership on your phone. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to crunchyroll.com/account. So I'm going to type that in, crunchyroll.com/account. Okay, from here you're going to want to log on to your Crunchyroll account. So I'm just going to enter in my email address and password. Okay, so after you've logged on, you're going to scroll in a little bit until you see all these options to the left. There'll be profile settings, account settings, and under account settings, you'll see premium membership status. So click on that. And right here, you should be able to see your membership status. And to the right, you can see cancel free trial. So I'm going to click on cancel free trial here, or you could choose to cancel your membership here. So click on that. Are you sure you want to cancel your membership? Yes, I'm going to cancel my membership here. Click on OK. And right here, it brings you to another screen. Basically, are you 100% sure you're going to cancel? Right here, I see the blue option, cancel premium or premium plus membership. Click on that. And then it's basically just asking for feedback. At this point, I'm going to choose to not send any feedback by clicking no thanks. And just like that, I've canceled my Crunchyroll membership. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. I'll see you guys later.